Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to download any song to your file for free using the Chrome browser. It's easy and simple. The best thing you can do for yourself is to watch this video till the end so you don't miss a single step. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any important feature content. Open the Chrome browser and go to the search bar. For this tutorial, we will be using Pexable. Pexable songs are copyright free. That means you can use it in your short and video and post it on any social media without having a copyright strike. Go ahead and in the search bar and tap pexable.com as you can see and click enter. Since once it is loaded, tap the first website you are seeing Pexable. Once you are on the website, scroll right a bit and go to the music category. These are a variety of songs that you can download to your file for free. If you are not pleased with any of them, scroll down a bit and hit the search bar. Search for what you are looking for. For me, I love this type of song, Mysterious. I will then search for that and click search. Now, these are the results from a search. Then you cannot preview or tap the three dot menu on any of the song and preview the song. Once you don't previewing the song, you cannot click download and wait for a few seconds. Let me swap my screen down so you can see the process is going on. The song is downloading. Just a few seconds and it will be done. It's downloaded. Now customize the app. Customize the app and go to your file. I'll then go to my file and show you the result. Now this is my file. Once you are there, go to audio, hit the search bar and search for the song you just downloaded. I will then search Mysterious. Now this is the song I just downloaded. I click just now and open the song so I can listen to it. If there's any website or an app you want to download songs to your file, let me know in the comment. I will drop the tutorial or show you the step-by-step guide on how you can go about. If you found this video useful, you consider smashing the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.